This is Grade 3, Module 1, Lesson 10, and the objective in this module is to model the distributive property with arrays to decompose units as a strategy to multiplication, or as a strategy to multiply. And we're going to look at number 1, and number 1 says 6 times 3 is blank. So when we're looking at this, we see that we have 4 groups of 3 is 12, and we have 2 groups of 3, which is 6. Okay. So we know that 12 plus 6 is 18, so 6 times 3 would be 18. Okay. And now we can move on to homework problem number 3. Adriana organizes her books on shelves. She puts 3 books in each row. Fill in the equation on the right, then use them to draw arrays and show the books on Adriana's top and bottom shelves. Okay, let's take a look at that. All right, so I looked here and I saw that my product was 15, and I knew that there was 3 books in each row. So how many rows do I have? And I can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same thing down on the bottom. We have 3 as our product, 3 books in each row. How many rows? 1. Okay. All right, and then part B says Adriana calculates the total number of books as shown below. Use the array you drew to help explain Adriana's calculations. And down here it reads 6 times 3 is equal to 15 plus 3, which is equal to 18. Okay, and that reads the whole array shows 6 rows of 3. That is 6 times 3. Maybe Adriana didn't know 6 times 3, so she broke it into smaller equations. 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 times 3 is 3. Then she added 15 plus 3 to get 18. Okay, so just looking at this, I had a lot of people question this, but I know for my students who are just learning how to multiply, 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s are easy for them. So when they have a multiplication problem like 7 times 3 or even like 9 times 4, being able to break these apart to have an easier equation for them will help them solve the problem a little easier.